I have a problem. I can't stop myself. You guys, I cannot stop myself. I literally have a problem. Even after I don't want something, I just get it anyway. Shopaholic, 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 Shopaholic. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholic. And today we're doing a quick unboxing, another Stockx unboxing, another thing I already got. One thing I've already got another one of because I can't help myself. And the price was so good that I wanted to get another one. I don't know why. There's no logic or sense. This is why Shopaholic. So now I guess I'm going to be using these because I have to, because I have two now. Okay, I bought another thing on Stockx that I didn't even need. I already have one. I bought another one of the exact same thing. I don't know why. I didn't even like the first one, and I got a second one just because it was there and it's available. And it was a good price, and I thought it was a deal. I think it's some sort of like immigrant Indian deals are always a good thing mindset where if it's a certain price under retail plus I have a coupon, it's like I have to not. I can't not. I have to. So I did. So let's unbox this again. And look. Okay, if you guys know what this is, let me know in the comments below. Let me leave a comment. I think you can figure it out if you are been following me, what I'm talking about, what I just got. But I think that it's so silly that I got this again. I did not need this. I already have one of this. Well, it wasn't even a deal. It was on Stockx. It was something I already bought from Stockx, from Goyard. And because it was under retail and because I had a coupon and I thought it was a steal of a deal, I just got it anyway. Even though I don't need it. It's just I can't even help. I can't not get it. When I think it's a deal and I know I can get it for and it seems like a good deal, I just get it even if I don't even need it. I don't need this. I didn't even like the first one that much. And now I have two. The reason I bought this, I'm not going to use it for that reason because it doesn't work for that, but I can use it for something else. I mean, it's usable. It's usable. It's definitely usable. Let me know if you can guess what this is before I open it, but it's another bag from Stockx. I had a $100 coupon off. I'll read the price after I open it. I think you guys know. Do you guys know? I mean, it's pretty... What is it? Shopaholic. It is un autre Goyard nécessaire pouch. This one seems bigger. Is it bigger? Well, that maybe it is. Oh, no, it's not. So this is the bag insert for Goyard, the fancy bag insert that I saw Tamara Color or whatever her name is on TikTok. Sorry, no offense. I saw her using this as her airport bag, so I wanted to use my airport bag before I go to Paris. I got this because I thought it looked, because she had it and she said it was a great airplane bag, so I was going to put it in mine. But it didn't actually fit. And I had unboxed it on the other channel, I already fit it. But then I saw another one and I just got another one, so now I have two. So this is going to go, I'm actually going to fold this up and put it inside another bag, and then I'm going to put it inside my Goyard tote when I'm using my Goyard tote, not as a nesting bag for my other bags. So when I just take out the tote, I want to have that structure with it. This is great because my other Zutujo ones, which I love Zutujo, yay Zutujo, they don't compact as easily. Well, they do, but I don't know. I like this. This seems a lot easier. Okay, so Goyard nécessaire pouch. Whoa! If you guys are interested in getting this, I think it's like $500-600. It's got a zipper, so you can, for your Goyard bags that are open, it's got a zipper so you can protect it and kind of get that security that you wouldn't get normally from a Goyard, from a St. Louis, because it's just an open toe. So you have that zipper to protect your stuff, so it kind of gives you the archois feel. And then it gives you structure if you want structure. So it kind of turns, basically this turns a St. Louis into an artois. So it gives it structure and turns a St. Louis into an artois. It's like this plus St. Louis equals artois. Oh, it's like St. Louis had a baby and made artois. So this is usually like $400 or $500. It comes with 4 pockets inside for your stuff and a structured base and then a zip. And it's got a little Goyard detail, painting detail. It's not bad. I don't know. What do you guys think? I got another one. Maybe I'll give it away. That's all I got for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please subscribe and please smash the like button, share on your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your family. Your time is valuable and time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. This was the quickest video. Was it under 5 minutes? I hope it was under 5 minutes.